tap Home, panel Draw. From the drop-down menu, activate one of them. First, it's maybe simply center, but it is ellipse. Next step, specify center of ellipse and specify end point of axis. That, and specify, move the cursor and specify higher. But I can enter some digit on command line. It's maybe 25. Where is he? Sorry. 25. No. 25. What is it? Ah, that. 25. And click enter on the keyboard. Another ellipse is axis and end. Specify axis endpoint, specify other endpoint, and specify higher. Some way higher. Next step, elliptical arc. Activate the command. Specify endpoint, specify other endpoint, specify higher, distance to other axis, and specify start angle and other angle to erase ellipse. That's all maybe about.